Welcome to this Quicargo instruction video. Today, I will tell you more about the consignment note. A consignment note is a document that the carrier will bring when they come to load your shipment. Within the Netherlands, this is based on the AVC conditions and internationally, the CMR, but overall the term CMR is used. The CMR is there to hand over the goods and also the responsibility between the loading address, the carrier, and finally the delivery address. If the driver does not have a CMR with him, you can download it from our platform. You can find it by clicking on your shipment and then select Print CMR. When picking up the goods, both the loading location and the carrier sign the CMR and thereby state that the carrier received the goods in a good condition. This is important as the loading location has the responsibility to make sure the goods are properly packed and ready for transport. If there is a problem with the goods, the carrier can make a note on the CMR, saying, for example, that one pallet was broken when they loaded it, to make clear it was handed over to them like that. What happens during transport is the responsibility of the carrier. Therefore, when receiving the goods, it is very important to examine the goods before you sign the CMR. Just like the carrier does when the goods are loaded, you are confirming the condition of the goods when signing for delivery. In case there is any damage or anything went missing, please make sure to write it down on the CMR directly to be able to rely on the carrier's insurance. The signed CMR, also called POD, is essential for damage claims. Without it, you cannot officially start a claim. When a shipment has been delivered, most carriers upload the POD in our platform where you can find them. If it's not yet available, you can always request it by sending an email to service@quicargo.com. There are 3 versions of a CMR, so there is one copy for the loading location, one for the carrier, and one for the unloading location. Thank you for watching this video. Please have a look at our other videos for more instructions on how we make shipping easy for everyone.